So let us solve one problem from GATE Physics, topic mathematical physics. So the problem states that the Fourier series of a periodic function fx having a period 2 pi as shown in the figure. We can write the function in the following way. Fx can be written as k, then 0 x pi and 0 minus pi x 0. We have to find the Fourier series expansion. The function is not even and not odd, but piecewise defined over a symmetric interval. However, because f of minus x is not equal to 0, we have f of minus x equal to 0 and not equal to f of minus x and not equal to f of minus x or fx. So it is neither even or nor odd. So it is neither even or nor odd. So it is not even or not odd. So both the sine and the cosine terms may exist in general, but as per observation, the function has discontinuity at x equal to 0. So it has discontinuity. So it has discontinue at x equal to 0 and 0 for and equal to 0 for x less than 0. So this is a half wave rectifier square wave commonly handled in the Fourier series odd extension due to 0 on the left hand side. So it is a half wave rectifier square wave. So it is a half wave rectifier square wave. So we can write only the sine terms, odd harmonics and a constant term. So we will compute the coefficients. So first a0 we can write a0 equal to 1 by pi minus pi 2 plus pi. So fx dx. So we can write 1 by pi, or we can write k by pi into pi. So it will be, or basically equal to k, right? So a0 by 2 equal to k by 2, right? We get. Then for b0 we can write 1 by pi minus pi 2 plus pi f of x sine nx dx, right? So if we can evaluate with it, will be 1 by pi 0 to pi k sine nx dx equal to k by pi, then minus 1, then 1 of minus 1 into n to the power n. So this is the value of n. So b0 we have 2k by pi n is equal to 0 if n odd, this one if n equal to odd, if and this one is n equal to even. So the even term vanishes, right? So we can write fx is equal to k by 2 equal to 2 by pi into sine of x plus 1 by 3 sine 3x plus 1 by 5 sine 5x. So this matches with the option A of our given option. So the option A will be the correct answer. So hope the solution is clear. So thank you.